Are you tired of the rising cost of electricity? Ready to tear up those electricity bills? Well, we have an answer for you. We're going to show you how you can take one of your most expensive items off the grid. That's your electric hot water heater. And you do that with CyboInverter Model H. This hooks up to just 4 solar panels and converts it to AC power to run your hot water heater. No grid needed, free electricity. We're going to show you how to do it.
No batteries, no grid tie paperwork, no maintenance. Your water heater tank basically becomes a free solar battery that stores energy as hot water. And right now, that is more important than ever. With AI driving massive new electricity demand, the grid's under a huge strain. Rates are climbing. Homeowners are looking for smart ways to cut dependence on the grid. Water heating is one of the biggest and most predictable loads in any house. So this is one of the smartest places to start with solar. We've enjoyed free hot water for 3 years now at our residential home, thanks to our H-model Cybo inverter. And today, Cybo sent us a brand new one to show you. So we're going to unbox it, do a clear visual wiring demo, complete with the solar panels and the hot water heater. So stick around, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you're enjoying this content.
So excited. We've got our CyboInverter H model in here. This is going to give us free hot water from our standard household electric water heater. Let's have a look in the box. Documentation from CyboSoft. Oh, certificate of record. These things are registered. And lots of product literature. Here's our unit. This is a CyboInverter. It has one wire coming out of it. This is what hooks up directly to your hot water heater. We're going to show you how to do that. It's not very hard. And then down here we have 4 input channels for up to 4 solar panels. Standard MPPT connectors. This is in a rugged case. It's actually fairly weatherproof. You can mount these outside near your solar panels. CyboInverter Model H from Cybo Energy. We're going to get free hot water from a standard household electric water heater. Let's go to work on this. Here we have everything we need to create free hot water from the sun. Let's start over here. This is an old electric hot water heater. You have your hot and cold water lines. Cold water in, hot water comes out. And your pressure relief valve. In case things get too hot in here, this is a safety valve, and normally there's a pipe that comes out of that and vents it to a safe place. Here's our main wires. So these are your 240 volt lines, and they go down to the heating elements. There's an upper heating element and a lower heating element. I'm going to show you those in a minute. So what else do we need? Well, this is a safety switch. It goes between the water heater and the CyboInverter and allows us to safely turn things off if needed. Here we have our CyboInverter. This is the main electrical line out that goes to the safety switch and then the water heater. So we'll be feeding this line up this conduit, wiring into the switch, and here's the electrical wires to get wired to the hot water heater. We'll talk about that in a minute. The CyboInverter comes with 4 input channels, and so you're going to need some solar panel wire to wire your solar panels over to the CyboInverter. The nice thing is it comes with the standard MPPT connectors that you use to plug in your solar panels. And we'll show you this later when we hook this up to our solar panels. All right? So it's pretty simple. This is everything we need.
The CyboInverter takes DC power from the 4 solar panels and converts it directly into AC power that feeds the lower heating element of a standard electric water heater. The upper element can stay connected to the grid as backup power, but since there are only 2 of us here at our home, we run the water heater in a totally off-grid mode. The grid tie to the upper element is completely optional. The lower element is where the CyboInverter connects. Because hot water rises, the solar-powered lower element keeps the tank hot. Wiring modifications are made here at the lower heating element terminals and the thermostats. Cybo provides detailed instructions and wiring diagrams for this setup, and we strongly recommend having a licensed electrician perform any wiring work. We also highly recommend installing an AC disconnect switch between the CyboInverter and the water heater for easy control and added safety. This design is UL listed, outdoor rated, extremely safe, maintenance free, and turns your existing water tank into a simple thermal battery that stores solar energy as hot water. Here at our home in Florida, we decided it was time to install a brand new CyboInverter H model. Today we're putting it right next to our water heater and just below the solar deck. First, we mount the new unit on the lattice wall in front of the water heater, right under Nora's gratitude to the sun sign. We're also adding a simple AC cutoff switch on the wall between the inverter and the water heater. This gives us easy on-off control and an important extra layer of safety. The installation is remarkably straightforward. The 4 solar panels on our solar deck just above connect directly to the inverter with MC4 connectors. The AC output then runs through the new switch and straight to the lower heating element of the water heater. Our water comes entirely from our own rain harvesting system, so every drop of hot water we make is truly regenerative and off-grid. Once everything's connected, we flip the switch, and in the full sun, the CyboInverter fires right up. You'll see the green lights come on as it initializes and starts delivering power. So that's the new CyboInverter H model installed and working.
We are so excited to take control of our electric. It's much easier and less expensive than most think.
With electricity demand exploding in the AI era and rates only going up, having a reliable, battery-free solar hot water system like this gives us real savings and peace of mind. We'll be using this same technology at our off-grid camp as well, so stay tuned for that build. We put links in the description to Cybo's free 2026 Solar PV Water Heating Design Guide. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe and check out our older H model video for comparison. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.